Hey, what's up guys, Ryu here, and today I'm gonna build my first PC. It cost me around 2000 bucks, but it may seem a little expensive, but I've picked the best parts that I want, so I'm satisfied with it. Parts are in the description down below. In my first build, I got a defective PSU and GPU, but the MSi service center in Indonesia was really nice, so they traded me with a new item that worked perfectly, and I'm currently using it to edit this video. So that's all I have to say. Enjoy my first PC build time lapse. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Leave a like if you enjoyed watching this, and see you guys on my next video.